Okay, thank you. Yeah. So now let me check. Is anyone absent today?
Yeah.
Intan, where?
Sit.
Okay, no problem. So first thing first, please remember these rules. Please don't use your phone. If you do it, I will take it and I will give you after class. Deal?
Yeah.
Okay, and then listen carefully and respect your friend. And then be brave to answer or ask. And respect teacher who are talking. And then please be active in this class. Please be active, please be nice, please be energetic, okay? Okay, by the way, have you had breakfast today?
Yes.
What do you eat?
I ate bread.
Bread?
Rice.
Rice? Bread?
Milk.
Yeah, you eat bread?
Yes.
Okay. You eat bread with what? Bread with messes? Okay. So yummy. But you have to eat straight away because have you ever seen what happens if we leave bread too long?
Yes.
This mold is actually kind of fungus. So fungi can be spoil food like the bread, but they also have many other roles. Okay, before that, I want you to watch a short video.
These organisms would you say is a fungus? All of them are fungi. Let's learn more about these organisms. The fungal kingdom, also called fungi kingdom, is one of the 5 kingdoms into which all living things are divided. Note that fungi are not animals or plants. Fungi are living organisms because they carry out the vital functions of interaction, reproduction, and nutrition by themselves. Some fungi, like yeasts, are unicellular microorganisms not visible in plain sight. To observe them, we need to use a microscope. Other fungi are multicellular. These are composed of many cells, grouped together, forming long, thin strings called hyphas. Hyphas form the reproductive structures. The mushrooms or the mold contain spores by which fungi reproduce. We usually find fungi under the ground, on pieces of wood, or on decayed food. Fungi are formed by one or many eukaryotic cells. Fungi eukaryotic cells are enveloped by a cellular wall and contain no chlorophyll. Remember, they're not animals or plants. Fungi cell groupings don't form tissues, as in the case of animals. They form hyphas. Some fungi are edible and very tasty, like mushrooms or truffles. Careful, some can be toxic. There are other foods, like some types of cheeses that have fungi in them. Roquefort cheese, for example. There are some fungi harmful to our health that may cause skin or lung diseases. Some fungi produce antibiotic substances used as medicines to fight bacterial infections. One of the most well-known and widely used antibiotics is penicillin. This antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming in the 20th century. Fungi can be found in the air, plants, or in water, and they are mainly transmitted through contact. Poor hygiene or poor sanitizing may be the reason why people get infected by fungi. In nature, mushrooms produce spores that travel in the air until they reach a place where they can germinate. Fungi are heterotrophs, meaning they feed on other living beings. That's why many fungi are decomposers. For example, some types of molds decompose fruits and vegetables to be able to feed themselves and grow. The substances they decompose are also sources of soil nutrients that plants and other living beings feed on. As you can see, fungi are very important for human beings and the planet. Thanks to them, we can make foods and medicines to cure diseases. They are also necessary for the vital processes in many biomes, as they're able to decompose organic material. That's all about fungi.
Okay, before that, I want to recall you. Last week, we talked about the animal and plant, right?
Yes.
So, what makes plant special?
Because
Yes, they have chlorophyll. Yes. And animal?
They can move.
Yes. Okay. Good job. Yeah. And so today, if something are not animal and are not plants, what could it be? Fungi. Okay. So today we're gonna explore about fungi.
These organisms.
So this is the learning outcomes. You guys will be able to mention special characteristic of fungi, explain part of fungi, the structure of fungi, and explain how fungi reproduce, and then give example of useful and harmful fungi. Okay, the characteristic of fungi is eukaryotic. They have a cell nucleus and then no chlorophyll. It means cannot photosynthesis, and then heterotroph, live from organic material, and then cell wall made of chitin, and then live as saprophyte or parasite. Okay, next, the part of fungi. You can see the structure of fungi consists to scale and then cap. Cap is a tudung. What's the function of cap? Who knows? Melindungi. Yes, untuk melindungi si tubuhnya mushroom. Okay, and then gills or lamella. Who knows the function of gills or lamella?
To produce and release spores.
Yes, untuk pembentukan dan juga penyebaran spora. And then ring. Ring itu adalah cincin. For what? To protect. Yeah, okay. And then stip. And then vulva. And then mycelial threads. What's the function of mycelial threads?
Feeding, spreading.
Feeding, breeding. Okay, good job, Sabrina. Okay, and then fungi can be divided into two types. The first is microfungi. Microfungi, I think, is so very small. Sometimes we need a microscope to see clearly. Yeah. For example, you can see the picture of stale bread and tempe. I'll bring the real example. Yeah. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Who wants to hold it?
No.
Novel, please, Brian and Novel. What you can see? You see the fungus growing on it, right?
Yes. The black
Because
line.
we can really see the detailed structure, right? Without the microscope. Maybe next time I'll take you guys to see under the microscope. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
excited to do.
Hold it first.
Miss, how long
Wait,
you take this until they can?
sampai selesai nanti ya, sampai pembelajaran selesai. Hold it first. Okay, and then microfungi. Microfungi is a bigger mushroom that we can see directly. Jadi berbeda dengan si mikro. Mikro itu kan kecil, makro besar. Jadi kalau microfungi itu kita bisa lihat langsung oleh mata. Okay? And then, for example, enoki. Who's like enoki?
I like enoki. It's a block.
It's a block. It's a block.
Yes.
And then oyster mushroom. And then shiitake, and then kapiknon or button mushroom. You can see a lot of picture here. I think it's shiitake and button mushrooms similar, right?
I have to
Cuma kalau shiitake itu dia lebih capnya itu lebih tebal ya, lebih gemuk. Gitu. And then enoki ya udah tahu. Terus selanjutnya jamur tiram atau oyster mushroom. Okay, and then reproduce fungi in two ways. The first is asexually by making spore fission and budding, and then sexual by the fusion of hyphae or gametes. And for example, is yeast for reproduce by fission, and then Rhizopus for making spore. Okay, and the last is fungi have important roles. Yeah, they're useful. Rhizopus for tempeh, and then Saccharomyces for bread, and then Penicillium for antibiotics, and they can also be harmful like molten food and skin disease, yeah, like panu, yeah, ringworm, yeah. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to do your LKPD. I will make a two groups. Group 1 in front rows and group 2 in back rows. Okay. This is from group 1. This is from group 2. Yeah? Okay, please pay attention. I will explain. For number 1, your job is read your answer on your paper and then you read on the board too. Okay? And then you read out. And for number 2, your job is I have two mushroom.
I think you bring some block.
Okay.
There's
Your job is explaining the characteristic. Yeah. You read the answer on your paper and then you present the characteristic on this mushroom with the color, shape, and lain-lain. Okay, this is for group. Okay, this is for group 1. Sorry, this is for group 2. Yeah. Interest tension. Okay, please do it. The time is only 3 minutes cukup ya.
Bismillah, everything's okay.
Yo, I saw.
Oh, you said
I wasn't good. I mean, please do it. Yes.
Better try. I think the fresh one.
Try.
Not this.
Try if you
No,
want.
it's not. No. That is.
It's not fresh.
It's not fresh.
Yeah.
It's not good fresh.
Oke, waktunya 1 menit lagi.
It's not.
Done.
That is.
Okay. Time is up. So first, group 1, please come forward.
Sorry, I see.
Number 96. Okay, no problem.
Sorry.
Okay. It's okay. Please write number 1 on
Number one.
Right.
Right.
All right.
Alright.
So, hello everyone. We are from group 1. This is the macrofungi that we got. This is enoki, and the microfungi is Saccharomyces. So, jelaskan Saccharomyces itu untuk apa dan mengapa jamur itu penting dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. So, Saccharomyces adalah jamur mikroskopis yang sering digunakan sebagai ragi untuk membuat roti. Jamur ini penting karena membuat roti menjadi mengembang dan empuk. Kemudian rasanya juga jadi lebih enak. Jadi kalau nggak ada Saccharomyces, rotinya jadi keras gitu.
Okay, so in our group is the jamur enoki. Jadi jamur enoki ini memiliki ciri khas dari bentuk tubuhnya yang panjang, rapi dan berwarna putih bersih. Aromanya juga lembut. Lalu bagian atasnya terdapat topi atau cap yang kecil dan bulat seperti kancing. Dan batangnya atau stipe itu sangat panjang, tipis dan halus jika disentuh. Dan biasanya jamur enoki ini tumbuh bergerombol dan jumlah banyak sehingga terlihat seperti ikatan serabut putih.
Okay. Thank you.
Bisa dan pay attention.
Bisa use your phone.
Yes.
Sorry.
I put in my bag. I'm sorry.
Take it her. Please.
Brian,
Done.
please you read out the answer. Yeah.
Ya, done.
Okay. Okay. Group 2 agree with group 1?
Yes.
Okay. And next, group 2, please come forward.
Okay, so I will explain the So number one is microfungi Rhizopus. So jadi Rhizopus ini dia itu jamur yang biasa dipakai buat fermentation tempe. And this is so important because like kedelai itu bisa berubah menjadi tempe yang dimana bisa kita makan dan rasanya enak dan juga bergizi. Nah, selain buat tempe, Rhizopus ini juga bisa buat membuat makanan itu dia cepat busuk. Kalau misalkan dia tumbuhnya itu tidak di tempat yang sesuai dan tidak diinginkan.
The question number 2, amati jamur tiram dengan teliti, sebutkan dan jelaskan ciri-ciri khususnya. Jadi kalau misalnya kita lihat teman-teman secara makroskopis, jamur tiram itu memiliki bentuk topi atau cap yang lebar dan melebar menyerupai
What are you
cangkang.
doing?
Kemudian warnanya putih, krem atau abu-abu muda, tapi kalau kita lihat dia lebih warnanya krem. Bagian batangnya stipe pendek, terus lebih kecil dibandingkan ukuran cap atau tudungnya. Tekstur jamur tiram itu halus, lembut, dan kenyal saat disentuh. Mau sentuh apa? Silakan. Iya, gimana? Kenyal?
Please, it doesn't have cap. It doesn't have cap. The cap is so small.
The cap is jadi melebar dia, tidak seperti jamur shiitake yang bikin jadi kayak tudung gitu.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much, group 2. Please sit.
Thank you.
Group 1 agree with group 2?
Enggak pakai banget.
Oke, tadi grup 1 itu menjelaskan tentang jamur enoki. Jamur enoki itu tadi kan untuk strukturnya dia tipis ya, tipis, panjang, terus untuk capnya so small ya, kecil. Terus kalau untuk jamur tiram tadi untuk bentuknya juga capnya lebar, warnanya putih, batangnya pendek dan juga bentuknya itu apa ya? Rasanya lembut, halus dan juga kenyal. Oke, good job. I think it's time to eat. Apa? Iya, oke. Silakan kalian. Okay, now it's time to quiz. I will send the link in the group class. Please open your phone and don't be cheat, okay? Please don't be cheat because I just want to check your understanding. Don't worry. Mira finish? Done. Done, yeah? Done. Okay. Okay, time is up. Now I will check your answer. Okay, for number 1 is correct, and then number 2 correct, and number 3 correct, and number 4. Why are so many wrong? Isn't it easy?
It's
quite hard. Okay, no problem. Maybe next time you study again. And then number 5 is correct. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I think that's done for today. Can someone to conclude today's lesson? Lisa, okay.
So today we already learned about the fungi. We already learned about the microscopic fungi and macroscopic fungi. We already learned about the characteristic of the microscopic one and macroscopic one. And we already learned about the examples like the anophy for macroscopic and rhizopus for the microscopic. And we already learned also about how they can produce and what the function of the fungi.
That's right. Today we learned about the characteristic of fungi, ya tadi eukaryotik, heterotroph, terus saprophyte or parasite, and then we learn about the types of fungi and then how they reproduce, how they effect. Okay, so I think that's for all. Okay, thank you. Maybe next week we going to explore the useful and harmful fungi. Karena sangat banyak sebenarnya manfaat dari jamur. Okay, see you next time. Thank you. Good job for today. Can someone lead the prayer?
Okay. Before we go home, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray begin.
Okay, thank you so much, Brian. Okay, see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Okay, enough ya teman-teman. So thank you. Maybe that's all. Maybe one thing that I want to add for evaluations, yeah. In micro teaching, if you are spend the time more and less, it will reduce your score. Honestly ya. Jadi kalau kurang dari waktu yang ditentukan atau lebih dari waktu yang ditentukan sebenarnya sama dengan time manajemennya belum baik. Jadi ini untuk nanti kalau kalian melamar pekerjaan ya, kalau bisa dikasih waktu 20 menit atau 30 menit, tadi rata-rata masih ada 5 sampai 6 menit ya. Dan mulai dari Sabrina mungkin sampai terakhir dia bilang ya. Jadi kalau di perusahaan atau di sekolah nanti kalau kalian melamar pekerjaan itu juga bisa mengurangi skor time management. So paling tidak ya misalnya masih lebih 1 menit atau kurangnya 1 menit gitu ya, jangan terlalu lama. 5 menit itu masih kurang baik sebenarnya. Okay, maybe that's all. Suggestion for today ya, evaluation for today. See you again Friday. Ya, Friday at morning, in the morning ya.
Tadi saya udah konfirmasi ke Kak Reza, katanya jam 8 ada kelas
Bu Fitrinya udah selesai. Saya udah tanya Bu Fitria, jadi bisa dipakai gitu ya. 3 terakhir siapa? Sabrina, Vira, dan Noval. Okay. Yeah, please prepare your best for the final test, and I will close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Mana sih? Iya, ada.
Aku bisa istirahat sendiri. Sekolah tempe
Sama asisten terus.
Iya, ada di sini.
Ada sih. Takut tiba-tiba ah, masa sih?
Aku mau pindah.
Oh iya, benar. Belum bisa langsung
Bentar ya. LKPD-nya.
Dan tahu tuh ada yang maksud dia ya.
Iya. Oh, itu aku ini biasa absen kali biasa. Absen dua tapi ngerjainnya sendiri.
Sudah kelas 3 pokoknya serius ngerjain hari ini.
Jadi kalau bisa tuh orang-orang kan